If you have to delete any records with the fruit type apple in it, try not to do this. This is time consuming and you might in the process miss out a few records. Let me show you another way to do it. First, you're going to select column C, and I'll show you why you have to select column C here shortly. Now press Ctrl F to open up find and replace, and then you're going to type the word apple in here for find what, and you say find all. In here, it will show you a list of all the word apple that appears in column C. Let's say, for example, if you don't select column C here and you select anywhere on the data sheet here and you get find all, you can see that it picks up another word which is on a different column, which is on column H, which happens to be the distributor name. So we don't want that. That's why we have to select column C. Now you say find all. Now you're going to press Ctrl A to select all the records, all the apples in it, and you're going to click on close. And all you have to do now to delete the record would be to say Ctrl minus, and then in this pop-up you're going to say entire row and click OK, and then you'll delete all the record with the fruit type apple in it. If you want to know how I did the automatic adjustment of my sequence number, drop me a message in my comment and I'll send you a link to my Excel tips within this channel.